Hi, I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I want to talk about the internet and Google. So essentially, when anybody is searching for anything on Google, Google has broken that search into three sections: the top, the middle, and the bottom. At the top, that's pay-per-click advertising, so people can pay to get to the top of any search on specific keywords they want. The bottom section is organic, or a lot of places that pay for SEO, which I never fully understood because people pay a lot for SEO to get to the top of the bottom of Google's rankings. However, that middle section is called the business pages, and I'm sure you've seen them. It has a map off to the side of it and a little red upside down teardrop with the locations. Those are Google business places, and they're free. All you have to do is search for your Google business page and claim it, and they'll give you step-by-step instructions. This way, you can get ahead of organic and people that are paying for SEO for free. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.